In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Manage People in ClickUp to view roles, seats, and edit access and permissions. We'll walk through where to find these settings, how the people table works, and how to adjust access for limited members and guests with confidence. Start by opening the Manage People page. In the upper left corner, click your workspace avatar. If you're using ClickUp 4.0, select People. If you're on ClickUp 3.0, select Manage Users. Keep in mind that by default, only workspace owners and admins can manage these settings. At the top, you'll see the user role drop down. This shows the total number of people in your workspace and breaks that down by role. You'll also see seat types organized into tabs. Full seats require a paid subscription and include most members, admins, owners, and many custom roles. Guest seats don't require a paid subscription. They're for people who have at least one permission-controlled item or location shared with them, and there's a limited number of those seats per workspace. View-only seats also don't require a paid subscription and include limited members and guests with view-only access to the items and locations shared with them. The Manage People page is a table where each row is a person and each column holds specific info or settings. You can make the table work for you, drag a column header to reorder it, click a header to sort its contents, or hover between headers to resize. The name column shows the person's name and, when relevant, badges like View Only, pending for someone invited but not yet signed in, or Owner. The email column lets you copy an address with a quick hover and click. Role shows their current role and lets you convert it. Just remember, plan changes may affect billing, so review your subscription details before converting. You'll also see Last Active, Invited By, Invited On, and Team Memberships for quick context. For limited members and guests, the access and permissions columns appear so you can view and adjust what's been shared and what they can do. If you see a small mobile device icon in the security column, two-factor authentication is enabled. On the far right, the ellipsis menu gives you actions like revoking admin to convert someone to a member, converting to limited member or guest, copying a member ID, sending a secure temporary login link to someone who's locked out, or removing a person from the workspace. To edit or remove a guest's or limited member's access, open the Manage People page, use the user role drop-down to filter to limited members or guests, then use the access column. You can remove all access to a type of location without removing access to their assigned tasks, remove specific items one by one, or change a single item's permission level. For example, from full edit to view only. Remember, you can only change access for items and locations that you can access yourself.